When you do a topo survey to create a surface, not all located features should be included. Things like trees, lamp standards, fire hydrants, signs, even overhead power lines or underground utilities. Is your process for excluding those things very error prone, very manual, relying on the field crew to set a rod height to -99 and then set it to the correct height again? There is a better way. It's automatic, field software agnostic, and easy to implement into your current process. Let me show you just one use case of survey groups in MicroSurvey's SurveyTools for BricsCAD using a topo data set from this stretch of road right here. Let's go to the office and I'll show you. Here, I will import topo data collected in MicroSurvey Field Genius. The data was saved with points in an ASCII file and line work in a DXF. I will import the ASCII file and add the entities to a survey group named Field Day Month Year, MM, the initials of the crew chief who did the survey. On import, AutoMap, our flavor of field to finish, did a few things for us. It modified the descriptions from shorthand to full words, added scaled blocks to several points, placed the points on specific layers, but also sorted the points by description into a surface group. When I turn off the surface group visibility, we can see what is left over: trees, the fire hydrant, and the lamp standards. Viewing only the surface group will set us up for creating the surface. I will bring in the line work by importing that DXF file from MicroSurvey Field Genius. To help with context, let's bring in a background image. On the Civil Explorer, click Create, and we're prompted at the command line to select the desired entities. I will window select the points and line work by holding Shift and turning my view to the side. If I view all entities again in the Survey Group Manager, we can see that the hidden trees, lamp standards, and fire hydrant were excluded from the surface because they weren't selected. How easy was that? Something else cool, I will drape that image over the surface to make it more visually appealing and allow myself to get a cool screen grab for the client. Next up, preparing the deliverables that the client wants. They want contours, the tin that we've already made, and they want those contours to be smoothed. So let's turn on the contour visibility, adjust the contour interval that dynamically updates in the surface to something that makes a little more sense. Let's try 1 meter and 0.2 for the minor contour interval, and maybe a little bit more dense. 0.5 meters for the major, 0.1 for the minor. That's about 4 inches and 20 inches for the minor and major intervals. Next, trim some of those longer outer triangles through Edit, Remove Outer Edges. We could also use a boundary. This command will only remove external triangles and not create gaps inside of the surface. It can be adjusted in the Surface Definitions tab to hone in on the desired surface. You see me do that here. And lastly, smooth those contours to make them more visually appealing through Edit, Smoothing. And just like that, our surface is ready to deliver thanks to the filtering capabilities in the Survey Group Manager in the latest SurveyTools for BricsCAD version 25. I'm excited about it, and you should be too. Contact your dealer or sales rep to get a demo license today.